I am Mr. Ofomata from Nigeria. My wife was suffering from knee problems. While searching for good medical facilities at low rates for total knee replacement surgery, I came across Tour2india4health Consultants. After reading the testimonials of the past patients, I contacted Dr. Dheeraj Bojwani and he updated me with the procedure to receive the best care. The group arranged for operation in a prominent Mumbai hospital by the best knee replacement surgeons in India. I am very happy with the surgery and the entire medical team and the Tour to India for Health team.